pretty much the home screen of the live football TV here. You'll be able to check your live matches score, and pretty much, as you can see here, you can check also previous matches that have been played before. You can see here you have January the 13th. You'll be able to check all the fixtures as it relates to the match being played that day. As you can see here, you have all the pretty much the popular leagues around the world, which you can check on which match is played and so forth. As well, you can just tap on, let's say, any one of these matches that's been played, you can just tap on the match that you want to pretty much get more information on, and to see which player have scored on a specific time. You can pretty much see who have gotten red card, yellow card, or whatever the case is. And also, some of the times you'll be able to see the lineup of the team. So not all of them you'll be able to see the lineup of the teams. So do keep that in mind. As you can see here at the head-to-head option here, as you can see, you have some standing option here, and pretty much the scoreboard of the league. So as I said before, not all of these teams you'll be able to see the information for. Let me just tap on this one here. As you can see here, you have the lineup option, and you'll be able to see the lineup options for this one here, who have played, the coach, and pretty much all the players and substitutes as well, the statistics of the match and so forth. So do keep in mind that most of these you won't be able to see. Some of these you won't be able to see. So while I'm getting into the application, we'll encounter a few ads, so do keep that in mind. So the live option over here, pretty much all the matches that are playing right now. As you can see here, the World Cup option, you have Italy versus Spain. If I do tap on this match here, pretty much we'll see who scored within the specific times. You can see here, you have the match statistic and all the previous matches that have been played before, and as well some other information here. And some of the times it will not get all the information as it relates to these matches. So do keep that in mind as well. You have the streaming section here, which pretty much shows you matches. Be able to watch these matches here. Not really like the exact match, but just like this preview, nothing much than that. So that's just pretty much it for this application here. You can tap on the league section, and you'll be able to see other leagues where you can pretty much check your score, who is leading that league. Now, as you can see here, you can scroll, and let's say, for example, Jamaica League, you can see here, you have the Premier League option here, and you'll be able to see all the matches that's been played and matches that's going to be played. And as well as you can see here all the scores for these matches and pretty much the information as it relates to who scored and the start. And some of these information won't show up. So do keep that in mind. But that's really pretty much it for this application. Nothing much. You don't have the remove ads features. You can see here while I'm navigating through the application. You can see quite a few ads, as you can see. So do keep in mind when you're using the application here, you're going to encounter quite a few ads. So that's really pretty much how you use this application here. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. And as well, you can tap on the option at the top here to pretty much adjust the date as it relates to whichever match you want to check and so forth. So that's really pretty much it. I hope you all enjoy this video. We'll see you in the next one.